What's going on, y'all? It's about that time. It's that time it get real cold, but after last year, I'm kind of hip to what I need to do. Just keep my heaters together, keep my refills together, and just stay ready. Make sure y'all got y'all going on. Make sure y'all got y'all energy together, motivation together, self together. I'm trying to make sure I do the same thing. My diesel heater, man, it's picking and choosing when they want to stay on. So today I'm just saying, forget it, I'm finna buy another one. Dang, $300. Yes sir, man. This thing $300. I ain't tell my wife if we go buy one. She'll be like, nah, we can fix it. All the time, if I don't finish what I'm finishing, I ain't gonna make my money for the day. Like $1,000 for the day. So it's cold, it's slowing me down. But yeah, man, it's like shop stories to y'all. It said 2-year warranty. I'm like, it's a 2-year warranty already. I always look at that on the boxes, man. Only thing I say, when you pay for a warranty, you paying for to be able to bring it back to the store. I doubt I'm gonna have a problem. In the 2 months I'm gonna use it. I only use the stuff like January, December, January, maybe a little bit of February. I ain't cut my heat on. I don't think I cut it on once in November. It wasn't too cold, man. Still hot, 83 days, man. But yeah, I definitely had to get some heat because I got to do what I got to do. I'm running back and forth between the house and the shop, so I get as much as I can done at the house. And I go to the shop when I can. Man, I ain't been up there lately. I'm like, man, waste of money. All right, I got it in the slider, man. But yeah, it's funny, man. I'm telling my wife, boy, she'll be, let's watch some videos we can fix. Me, I'd rather spend the money, get it back off the job, man. Cause say if I don't fix it, I ain't get paid, and I wasn't comfortable. Yeah, I just spend the money, man. Take the loss for that whatever. Cause my last heater, the one that y'all finna see me drain the fuel out of, I bought that, man, in Kansas. So between 2000, I deployed 2017, 18. So between the middle of 2018, 2019, I left in 2019, and it's 2024 in 2 days. So 5 years, 4 to 5 years. For I think that thing was like 180. Ain't bad. This one here, it's double the size, cause it only warm the shop up to like 60. But this double the size, so hopefully I get to 65 and take more fuel. So man, that's good. All right, got that thing, got the slider, man. When you're dealing with upholstery, in my opinion, you work a little better when it's warmer, because the glue stick better, everything heats up and contrasts better, and you're more comfortable. So you're able to like actually maneuver stuff and do everything like best of your ability, because you ain't rushing like, man, I gotta get about the cold, man. In my opinion, though, because I mean, everybody got their own ways, techniques, and everything, but that's just me. I always been off comfortability. So if I ain't comfortable, I know I ain't gonna be able to put my best work. I'm over here looking for my tripod. I don't know where the hell it's at. 47. That ain't too bad, but that's too bad when it's hours of 47. Man, I used to be, I don't care about no heat. That used to be me. Nah, shoot, I ain't from the couch to y'all. And then I'm finna show y'all what this other heater do. So y'all see me, I'm finna turn the other heater on, and when I hear what it's doing, I'm gonna show y'all. But look, see it blinking. I ain't cleaned this other half of the shop up yet either. So just an update. not shit. Alright, so I'm finna have that going, and then I'm finna put this one together. So when it do what it do, y'all gonna see it. Y'all see it? Yeah, something wrong with it. And what? It's still 47. Can't have it. I should did this outside, like I always do. But I'm draining this other heater. There's a lot of fuel in there. Yeah, taking it out. And one day when I ain't got absolutely nothing to do, I'm gonna go and take this apart and clean it. Now see, it got dust from 5 years ago. Never cleaned this thing for real. I added that screw. Like the other screw shook itself out. There was a little metal piece right here that went in this hole and this hole over here. I don't know what happened to that. Yeah, wear and tear. At least you got a blast on it joint. I ain't never cleaned it or nothing, so I don't know. And this thing ain't around, y'all. I got it focused this way. I'm down there about to take my jacket off. You only been on about 15 minutes. Definitely work. It's kind of loud, but I mean, it ain't too bad to me. It ain't gotta stay running the whole time. You can set it to like 65, 70. Let it go on and off, let it go. But man, maybe you get something new. So feel good. 300. Whoa. Here she go. Come right through the door. How much was this? I told y'all she'll be like, oh, we can fix this. Nobody got time for that.
What?
Nobody got time for that. It's $2.90.
Why you start on my work when you know I hate when you do that?
I got stuff to do. Let's pull it from the back. All right, y'all.
I can tell.
This ain't heating it up. This ain't heating up. I say the other one, 60 max, but it gotta run for like 30 minutes. This thing. Huh? It's smaller and it got insulation. Yeah, this is a way smaller heater over there. And it's propane, it ain't them. Yeah. But yeah, let's get back to work, man. This thing definitely kicking, boy. Yeah. Yes, man. I'm out.